right, boys, we are back with another YouTube video. Little race car here, dude, in all her glory. The good old left lane TDI. She's dead in the water, you know, with her broken timing belt. But that's not our focus here. We're with my dog, one of my dogs, Marley. What up, Marley? Marley, say hello to YouTube. What's up? So yeah, we're back making another video this evening, and yeah, I'm gonna go open up the shop and we're gonna work on the Jetta, and we get the other axle in. I'm gonna get the control arm in, the ball joint, all that. So I'll get it back together. I can probably put the wheels back on it and it can sit on the ground again. Probably not gonna button it up till the beginning of next week, but at least this way I'm ahead of the game. So stay tuned, follow along, enjoy the video, and subscribe if you're not. All right, boys, so same video as last video, or same day as last video, excuse me. But yeah, I'm gonna start firing this side back together. So this side, I'm gonna use my axle that was in it. It is a parts store axle, but it works. It doesn't have a lot of grease in it. So what I do, I want to keep that bearing greased. I'm just using wheel bearing grease. Somebody in the comments might say it's the wrong grease. You shouldn't use red grease, whatever. Grease is grease. It's gonna go get in there. That's that. So you're gonna fill that, and then we'll fire the axle in. All right, so we got our CV axle. We got it filled up enough with grease. The axle's gonna sit in there a little bit. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this motherfucker up in there, and I'm gonna use this hub. To hold it in place. Yeah, that's the ticket, boys. All right, so now we gotta line these fucking bolt holes up. Got the triple square. It is a M8 triple square. All right, got the flange in on the transmission. We're actually missing a bolt. This doesn't have those little pieces on it. I do have the pieces. I already have the axle on. I realize they're missing, so I'm just gonna tighten the bolts for now. I'll probably break an axle, honestly, sooner or later, so I'm just gonna keep an eye on it. I always keep everything torqued anyways. I check it when I change the oil, but yeah, maybe clean up this boot a little bit. As you can see, I gotta do intercooler piping seals, so I do have those on the bench. Ooh. As I was saying, I have all new intercooler O-rings, airbox to put back in, extra sleeve. I did paint it, so probably won't use it, but yeah, just probably get a new one if mine doesn't work out. But yeah, I'm gonna fire the control arm in, and yeah, fucking good stuff. And I will say, I'm not scared when I work on this thing. So I tried my regular impact drill with the 18 mil to get out the ball joint nut, and it wasn't happening. So I put a chrome extension with my chrome, or my chrome adapter with my chrome extension with my chrome electrical tape 3/8 swivel, and on number 2 it took it right off. So I don't recommend doing it, but it worked. So hopefully this just comes right out now. It should. Couple taps. That's how you remove a ball joint. If you're doing it any other way, just stop. Just don't do that. So actually, let's inspect these. They're not bad. They're not good. But I could have just not taken the control arms off, but ECS tuning control arms here with the poly bushings, I think they're just probably, well, actually they are just factory control arms with poly bushings pushed in, but I don't have to do the work. So now, we just take the nice head part. All the bushings are good. Ball joint is pre-installed by me. Yes, I painted it pink. I painted it pink for this reason right here. As you see, this is still actually a good ball joint. The boot's not ripped or anything like that. It's still tight. It's a little loose. Actually, it's not bad. But it's fucking rusty. Let's avoid the rust, boys, you know? So, yeah, I'm gonna pop this in and real easy. Lower control arm tutorial. Put it in one spot, put it in the other. You might have to bang it a little bit, pop it in the ball joint, it's done. Not gonna waste the time filming it. Unless like somebody really needs to, then the next time I have to do this, I can make a tutorial. But that's this tutorial, and yeah, we're moving on. All right, boys, so just getting this lower control arm squared away. In here, real easy, put one side in, the other side should push right in. The screw is there, all 18mm bolts, and there's a nut on top of this one. You can get a wrench in there. Don't let anybody tell you you can't. I'll do it right here on film, wherever I put the camera, it's right there. But yeah, so I use this pole jack to push the ball joint up into place to make my life easier. It is what it is. All right, I need to send her home before I get too crazy. Okay, so it started. Pull up a little better. Send that bolt in. This one in. So you can fit the wrench up in there. It's not that bad. You just come from one of these sides. Trying to make sure you get it on there. And once you do, just take your trusty impact. Send her home. So that's that. Those two bolts. All right, boys. I know everyone loves this, so got the axle nut started. Couple fingers, old Milwaukee. It's tight there. We put Big Bertha on too. That's it. He's good. So, axles in. I gotta torque those. Control arms in tight. Sway bar end links in. Ball joints in and tight. Everything's done on this side as well. So, yeah. Realistically, I could put some fluid in it, put the airbox and battery back in it, and start it. And see what happens. I'm still unsure of the clutch pedal. I'm still unsure of the shifter. I might have to work out some kinks, but yeah, all my parts are gone. So besides the timing belt kit, alternator pulley, the old flywheel bolts, things like that, you know, extra bolts from the slave cylinder. But yeah, training job done. Control arms refreshed. So that's cool. Well, hopefully it sits right. Hopefully I did everything right. Everything looks okay. Everything bolted up fine. So we should be good there. But yeah, I'm hyped. I'm not gonna lower it no more or nothing. I just want to get it off this lift right now. But I probably won't do that tonight. So probably shoot some B-roll and then we'll get an outro. Right, Marley? What do you think? You having fun at the shop? He's a good boy. Good doggy. I got gloves on, buddy. Got gloves on, buddy. So yeah, that's what we're up to this evening. Everything's going well. Super easy to put together. Yeah, I'm hyped on those control arms though. It's gonna feel like a nice car, real nice car. New clutch, new motor mounts, new control arms, new ball joints. Like, you can't. I should do the tie rod ends. I'm right here. I really should do them, but this boot's a little ripped. I really should do them, but the car steers okay. So for now, like I said, just get it the fuck out of here. All right, boys, time right now is about 9:30 at night. Still here with Marley. We're just wrapping up. Car's all put back together. So I just got to torque these axle bolts. Well, check them, make sure they're good. Check the ball joint bolts. I just put some fluid in it. I'm a little short on fluid, so yeah, so that's that. So that about wraps up for the night. But yeah, came out good. Everything went together well. So yeah, hopefully it works good. I'm pretty hyped. And yeah, I was gonna refresh the brakes and stuff, but I know they're a little rusty, but I just did them not that long ago. The car sat for a little while. But yeah, it's been parked outside and stuff. Shitty fucking rotors, but they work, they're good. So yeah, I guess that's where I'm gonna leave it at this video. All right, boys, cock teasing you a little bit. Car's back together. Haven't tried it or nothing yet. It's got trans fluid in it. Everything's together. But yeah, still gotta put the airbox in, hook up the map, shit like that. Put the battery in. Takes no time, but yeah. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see it drive, come and follow along. Stay tuned for the next one. So hopefully in the next video, we get this thing where she's dusty. Get her washed, get her through the gears. Yeah, it'll be cool. Me and the dog, we're gonna go home. We're gonna wrap this up. We'll edit it, we'll upload it. You'll get a 2-for-1. Stay tuned. Peace.